In this video, we're going to show you how to install outer taillights on your INFINITI G37 X located on the rear of your vehicle. Open up your trunk lid, and if you have this liner, go ahead and pull this up and out and set it aside. And we're going to start by removing these two buttons here, or at least releasing them. We're going to use our trim tool and get in behind this little cover here and pop that out. Go ahead and pop that out. Do the same on the bottom. Now if we move to the trunk liner over here, we have two more right here. These have little inserts similar to the one we just did. So pop out the center. You're going to pull out that center so far, and then the base comes out with it. Do that for the lower one. Now in most cases, we can go ahead and grab this trunk liner and just kind of pull us down and out from behind the plastic. Going to peel this back. With that liner pulled back, we have access to these three nuts right here. We're going to go ahead and use our socket. That is an 8mm. Pull this harness retainer off. We are going to be reusing the nuts, so just put those someplace where you can get them later. We have our electrical harness right here. There's a little push tab. We want to push it on that and pull this connector off. Sometimes using a little pocket screwdriver will help you with this. Want to push in on this tab right here and then slide the connector off. And what I like to do is just gently work on these studs, push on these studs, and then from the outside, we're going to pull the taillight out of the body. So go ahead and grab the taillight and remove this. Now the process for the driver's side is going to be identical for the passenger side. You want to just repeat that process if you're replacing both taillights. Before installing your new taillight, it's always a good idea to go ahead and clean around the perimeter as well as where the taillight gasket is going to go to the body. You can simply use something as simple as a glass cleaner or whatever you might have that will clean this up. It's not necessary, but it's always a good call to do this. Once that's cleaned up, we can go ahead and get our taillight installed. Go ahead and take your taillight. We're going to line up the studs on the back with the holes in the body. Should pretty much fall right into place. Let's go ahead and install the three nuts on the inside. Let's go ahead and get those three nuts started. I like to run these down as far as I can by hand. They spin on really, really easy, so go ahead and do that. Now when tightening these down, you just want to make sure they're good and snug. Once they bottom out, just give them a little bit more. Probably a good quarter turn. Bottomed out. Quarter turn, good. Go ahead and take that electrical connector, line that up, push that on. You're going to hear and feel it snap into place. With the taillight installed, go ahead and grab that fender liner or the trunk liner for the fender area. Pop that in. Now we just have to tuck this into place, tuck it in behind the plastic here. Let's install our retainers. Install the inner buttons here. Press it in. You can hear it and feel it snap into place. Do the same for the lower one here. Let's go ahead and install our cargo net retainers into the hard shell. Insert your trunk liner, set that down into place. At this point here, you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.